Hey, it's Anna with WTI. And we spend so much of our lives on our mattresses that we should make sure that they're protected.
As you can see, a mattress protector is something that is sorely needed in my household. This one from MATTSHIELD is absolutely perfect. I have it in the king size, and it is this luxury quilted cotton mattress protector. It is waterproof and breathable, but just because it's waterproof does not mean that it is noisy, so you don't have to worry about sounding like you are sleeping on your grandmother's plastic covered couch, but it does such a good job of keeping the water on the correct side, not on your mattress. This works so well and is machine washable, so don't worry about getting spills and stains, and it is going to keep your mattress looking great, especially when you have critters.
I am so happy with this mattress protector. I highly recommend it. And that's my point of view.